How compliance is woven throughout the supply chain. Take a moment to look around you. Chances are you are surrounded by products that utilize wood sourced from around the world. That wood flooring in your house may consist of a North American oak veneer affixed to a Vietnamese eucalyptus platform. That comfortable chair you're sitting in may have beautifully carved legs made from solid mahogany grown on plantation land in Fiji. Woods from around the world offer different aesthetic and performance properties than woods grown in North America. Thus, a long and intricate supply chain brings these products from the forest to you. But how can you be confident that these products have been sourced responsibly? Thankfully, local, national, and international legal and regulatory requirements, paired with an industry focused on compliance and sustainability, instill confidence that your purchases can support healthy forests around the world. Let's follow the journey of sourcing international woods and learn more about how compliance is woven throughout this journey. We start in the forest. Concession holders at the point of harvest must maintain long-term forest management plans, as well as various authorizations like logging and transportation permits. Many concessions are small, indigenous, or family-owned businesses that depend on sustainable forest management to ensure their long-term viability. From the forest, it travels to the mill. North American importers use tools to ensure overseas producers are complying with relevant laws and regulations. These can include things like supplier questionnaires, site visits, and periodic audits. Depending on the country and concession, paperwork is created and travels digitally alongside the logs through the supply chain, tracking its origin and legality. After the mill, it will travel to the port of export. Exporters must obtain export permits before wood products are loaded onto cargo ships to be transported abroad. Depending on the product and source country, there can be environmental, legal, and safety certifications required prior to shipment. After traveling on an ocean liner, the wood will be received at a port of entry. Customs officials at the port of entry conduct inspections of the incoming cargo to ensure that it matches what was declared on the relevant paperwork, that all necessary permits have been obtained, that duties have been paid, and that the product is safe for entry. Once the cargo has been approved and clears customs at the port of entry, it is then transported to a warehouse, where it is sorted and safely inventoried for distribution. In the case of hardwood lumber and veneer, this sorting can take into account the species, quality, appearance, and structural characteristics of the wood. Wood is then sent from distribution warehouses to a manufacturing location. This wood can then be used to build or remodel homes, or to create anything from floors to cabinets to decking or siding. It could be used to make furniture or to manufacture an RV or boat, or even be crafted into a musical instrument. Both domestic and internationally sourced wood products are used to create beautiful and innovative products in environments that could never have existed without imported wood. These wonderful products touch our lives at home, at work, and at play. No matter where you live, work, or relax, wood is everywhere. IWPA members are proud to supply wood materials from around the world to help create beautiful and useful products from sustainably managed forests.